One of the great things about Ollama is that it makes it super easy to download models that work with Ollama. You just run Ollama pull llama 2 or Ollama run llama 2, and if you don't have the model, it starts downloading. But let's say you want to use the model in something else like LM Studio. Well, now you go to .ollama/models/blobs and, well, good luck figuring out which one is llama 2. So I created a simple shell script that creates symlinks to a folder of your choosing. You can find the script in the GitHub repo, Matt's Shell Scripts, and it's called Sync Models. This was written for Mac OS, so you might need to adjust it a bit for Linux and Windows. Let's go over the script here. The first thing you're going to have to do is set the base directories. First, there's the Ollama directory. On Mac, that's .ollama/models off the user's root. The manifest directory and the blob directory are probably going to be the same for everyone. Public models directory is wherever you want the symlinks to be. Do not set this to anything with files in it, because my first step in this script is to delete everything. Next, go to that destination directory and delete everything in it. So again, don't point this to a populated directory. Then we're going to iterate through the manifest directory searching for models. I set the user, model, tag, and digest for each model and tag. Notice that I use JQ to parse the manifest file. This is a JSON file, and JQ is a super cool way to parse JSON on the command line. I got another video about using JQ. Then for each tag file, create the symlink and print out the model to the CLI, and that's it. Now you can go over to a tool like LM Studio, and it finds all the models you've already downloaded from Ollama inside of LM Studio. Let me know if this is useful for you. I wrote it a few months back and then have mentioned it every few weeks in the Discord. So maybe next time you could just find it here on YouTube. Well, that's it for now. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.